Biconomy Exchange.
How to trade futures on Biconomy.com. Go to the website Biconomy.com or use the Biconomy app. Register on the exchange. Enter the required information in the input fields. Create a secure password that will be used to log into the system. Deposit funds. Go to the Wallet tab and click Deposit. Choose the cryptocurrency and network. Copy the deposit address. Then paste it into the appropriate field on the platform from which you will transfer funds. After some time, the cryptocurrency will appear in your account in the Wallet Spot section. You can buy crypto with fiat money. Go to Buy Crypto. Specify currency and cryptocurrency. Select the payment channel and click Confirm. You will be taken to the website of our partner. You need to log in or register and confirm the transaction. After the payment is approved, the cryptocurrency will be credited to your spot wallet. Now you need to transfer your funds from the spot wallet to the futures wallet. To do this, click on Transfer. Specify the amount you want to transfer and click Confirm. Now go to the futures trading. Let's understand what cryptocurrency futures contracts are. These are agreements to buy or sell cryptocurrency at a specific price in the future. They serve as a way to hedge against price changes in cryptocurrency and provide an opportunity to profit based on expectations of future price movements. Choose the desired cryptocurrency. In the order book section, you can track orders being executed in real time. An order is an instruction submitted by a trader to buy or sell cryptocurrency at a specific price. Orders can be of various types, such as market orders, buying or selling at the current market price, and limit orders, buying or selling at a specified price. Choose the order type and set the leverage. Click Confirm. Leverage is a mechanism that allows traders to increase their investments using borrowed funds. For example, if you have $1,000 and you use 10x leverage, you can open a position worth $10,000. Leverage amplifies both potential profits and potential losses. Set the count or the USDT you want to use to open long or short order. What does it mean to open a long or short order? When a trader places an open long order, they buy cryptocurrency in hopes that its price will rise. Conversely, an open short order involves selling cryptocurrency at the current price with the intention to buy it back in the future at a lower price. When a trader closes their open order, they sell or buy cryptocurrency according to the original order. After clicking on the Open Long or Open Short button, you can track your position in the Positions section. When it is fulfilled, the cryptocurrency will be credited to your futures wallet. Thank you. Download our application.